Artificial intelligence systems do not read information the way people do. When someone asks a question, AI does not go to a single source. It pulls from many places and tries to interpret what is most relevant, most current, and most authoritative. This creates a challenge. When information is spread across thousands of websites, written in different formats, and updated at different times, AI systems have to infer meaning. That can lead to incorrect attribution, outdated answers, or confusion between jurisdictions. The Aigistry National AI feed changes how this information is interpreted. Instead of relying on full web pages, AI systems can reference structured records that are already organized for machine interpretation. Each record in the feed contains clearly defined fields such as the issuing organization, geographic scope, content of the update, and an exact timestamp. Because these records are published in a machine-readable format, commonly using structured data like JSON, AI systems can process them directly. This reduces the need for inference and allows information to be interpreted with greater precision. When AI encounters structured records like these, it can more reliably determine who issued the information, which location it applies to, and whether it is current. This improves how AI systems prioritize sources and assemble answers. For example, when multiple sources exist, AI systems can use timestamps to identify the most recent update, use attribution fields to connect information to the correct authority, and use jurisdiction signals to avoid mixing information from different regions. The National AI feed does not replace websites or change how information is published. It operates after publication as a structured record layer that AI systems can reference alongside traditional content. In simple terms, instead of interpreting unstructured pages, AI systems can read clearly defined records. This allows answers to be built on information that is already organized for accuracy, attribution, and recency. As more information is accessed through AI systems, structured, machine-readable records play a critical role in helping those systems interpret and cite information correctly. Thank you for watching How AI Uses the Aigistry National AI feed. This video is part of an educational series produced by Aigistry, the National AI Citation Registry for Government Agency Communications.